back again to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our recipes. Every week we're trying to do a new recipe for you. Today we're gonna have Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving dinner is one of the most important dinners for the year, so you could get all your families together. And the most important thing for Thanksgiving to do is actually turkey. Turkey is a little bit hard to do bird because some people are afraid that it's gonna be dry or it's gonna be flavorless, and maybe they don't know how to get the right temperature to do the turkey. But today I'm gonna give you some tips on how I do my turkey, how I actually try to get my turkey to be moist and to be full of flavor. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to prepare a nice turkey for your Thanksgiving dinner. The first thing you do in order to start extracting the flavor out of your turkey is actually brining. Brining your turkey means that you have to submerge your turkey in seasoning for about 24 to 48 hours before roasting your turkey. What I added to the brine was onion, garlic clove, rosemary, thyme, sage, oregano, sea salt, about 1 cup for every 8-pound bird, whole pepper, and 2 lemons. By branding your turkey, you actually make the turkey to absorb all of these ingredients into the flesh inside the turkey, so it could have a better flavor when you roast the turkey. Okay, now that we know how to flavor our turkey by branding the turkey for 24 hours to 48 hours before roasting them, we're gonna go to the step on how to prepare a turkey that will stay moist. In order to do that, we need butter. Butter will help the turkey not to be dry, because turkey is a very lean bird and it doesn't have much fat, and it needs the butter to protect that meat for not to become dry when it's roasting. So the way I prepare my butter for the turkey is I use garlic, I use parsley, the juice of a lemon, and the zest of a lemon. Just combine all of the ingredients for the butter in a food processor and blend it all together. Add that wonderful mixture to the butter and mix it well until it's all combined with the butter. So now that we have prepared our butter for the turkey and we have our turkey brine for the last 36 hours, we're gonna take it out of the water and we're gonna prepare the turkey for roasting. So take your turkey out of the water. Clean all the excess herbs that are in there. Let it dry and put it on the plate. Take off the nice neck out of there and open up a little bit. Just keep this so you could have your turkey. Just keep this so you can have your turkey closed when you finish preparing your turkey. So in order to prepare the turkey now, you need to actually butter up turkey in the inside by putting the skin apart from the flesh this way, making holes there, because you're gonna fill all this with butter. You're gonna protect that breast. That breast is very dry and you want to have it very moist at the end. Be gentle when you're doing this on not to break the skin apart, because you want to have it very close. You want to have everything very sealed there, because you're going to fill all that up with butter. So now that we have it ready, so take a chunk of butter like this. You see, it's gonna make like a coat inside the turkey, and it's gonna give him flavor because you already have garlic, you already have lemon, and already have the zest of a lemon, and also has parsley in it. So you start keeping, protecting the breast the most you can, like this. This is what is gonna make your turkey be the moistest turkey ever. So now that you have put the butter inside the turkey, just rub the turkey with the same butter on the outside, so you can have even more flavor on the skin as well. Just like this. Just like that. See, everywhere. That neck also, that is gonna be so juicy too. Cover it with butter. Just like that. Look. This is what you need, a nice bird that is gonna be so moist when all that butter start melting inside the oven and getting inside that meat and protecting the breast and making the breast so juicy when you cut it. Once you have the butter on your turkey, the next thing you do is to actually rub this turkey on the outside. By having a nice rub on the outside, you actually will give some color to the outside, and we add more flavor to your turkey when it's roasting. So just you have to do, this is my mixture flavor, my mixture of broth that I made for you guys. The rub I added to the turkey contains sea salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary, cumin, and thyme. Okay, the last thing you do is cut a lemon and put it inside the cavity with yellow onions, a few onions that is gonna keep also the turkey from being dry from the inside out, and it's gonna give you more flavor too. You just cut the onions in half and fill the cavity with all the way lemons and onions. Once you have filled the cavity like this, just close your turkey so nothing will escape. Get your neck and put it in there too to protect it from not to be burned. It is up to you on how to flavor your turkey on the outside. You can even create your own rub if you want. So now that we have the turkey fully seasoned, fully protected with the butter, and very nice before roasting. So what we do is we get a roasting pan. One of my tricks that I use is that I actually put two plates on the bottom, because I don't want if the butter starts melting to actually start getting full of water here and butter, and instead of roasting the turkey, we'll be actually boiling the turkey. So what I do is I raise this rack a little bit more so I could protect the turkey from not being boiling on the bottom, but roasting all around. So what you do is you transfer your turkey in here, just like that. You see, very nice. So now that we have the turkey in the roasting pan, we add a little bit of olive oil on top, so it will make that skin more crispy when it's roasting. The temperature to roast a nice turkey is actually having it to 475 for the next 30 minutes in order to brown the turkey on the outside, and then 400 for the next 3.5 hours inside the oven. You can cover it if you want with this, or you can leave it outside like this occasionally basting the turkey with the juices that is gonna come out of the turkey. Okay, so let's put these babies in the oven and let's see how it's gonna be in the next 30 minutes. So now that 30 minutes has passed, now we're gonna check our turkey. Make sure I don't burn yourself. You see how roasted is on the outside, nice color. And you see all the butter here on the bottom. You can put that on the top. The butter, the goodness. You can see here, look how the butter is coming out. It's protecting the skin. Even here, full of butter. Right here too. So now that is this way, with a wonderful color. You just baste it a little bit on top. And we keep protecting that nice breast in the middle there. So what I do is I will cover the turkey so I don't have direct heat. So if you keep having direct heat, it could dry your turkey all the way to the finish line. So if you don't have a cover like this, you can use aluminum foil or anything to cover your turkey to protect the breast for not to become dry. So we're gonna leave it here, we're gonna cover it, and we're going to lower the temperature to 400 now for the next 30 minutes. Basting, using the baster constantly so we can keep protecting that wonderful breast with that wonderful color. So let's go and low. Okay, let's see how this turkey just came out. I'm gonna open up the oven and look at that beauty there, all roasted. So we're gonna take this out of the oven right now. Wonderful, wonderful smell, wonderful color. This is just a beautiful thing to have. We're just gonna put it in here and we're gonna transfer it now to the plate. Just grab a knife through the middle and pick it up just like this. Put it on the plate. And if you want, you can decorate this plate however you want it to, with some caramelized apples, some caramelized pear, fruits. So now the final moment, guys. Let's see how this turkey just came out. We're gonna try it out. We're just gonna cut a little bit of the breast this way. Look how a knife goes so smoothly all the way down. Ooh. So delicious in flavor. Wow, let's try this out. So juicy, full of flavor inside, very nice. If you like this recipe and would like to see more of our wonderful recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy.